Good morning. Today is Thursday, which means we have a math and science lesson. So I'm going to switch it up and start with science today. We are in the butterfly unit still. Today is Thursday the 7th. Click on the lesson first. Okay, PowerPoint, make sure you have a copybook ready to answer the questions or write down your findings. You'll also be watching videos. For BrainPop, you're going to type WBP as the sign-in, and the password is Westbrook1. Okay, unless you already did it before and it's saved, then you're good to go. But if not, that's what you'll want to type in. Okay, you will have a BrainPop for this science lesson today. And once you're logged in, you can do BrainPop all by yourself if you want to. It's a great website. There's lots of things you can learn in there. All different subjects. It's not just science. They have all different things in there. Our PowerPoint starts to load. You will see today's lesson. Okay, we put it into slideshow. All right, we have 5 tasks today. All right, go back into the folder when you're finished. Click on the link below. BrainPop Junior. We click. It will load. Okay, so when you go up to the top, you click log in here. Westbrook Park mine has saved. Westbrook1 is the password. Click log in. Okay, let it load. You'll watch the video first. Okay, and then you will complete the easy quiz. You can even challenge yourself and do the hard quiz. All right, and when we go back into the lesson, you'll read about stage 1 of the caterpillar's life. All right, it's in the egg stage. It starts as an egg. It's laid on the leaf of a plant, and it's the size of a pinhead, which is teeny, 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 tiny. We would use our magnifying glass for us to see it. All right, the first thing you're going to do in your notebook is draw a picture of the first stage of a butterfly's life cycle and label it with a title, similar to what you're seeing over here, okay? Task 3, we're going to read this little part about hatching, and you're going to write me 2 facts about the caterpillar that you learned from this page in your copybook, okay? One thing I learned is this. Another thing I learned is blank. Okay, there's quite a few facts on here. Just pick 2 of your favorite, okay? Next one. Butterfly link. Using your finger, you're going to trace the painted lady butterfly. The life cycle 3 times. So we go from egg to larva to pupa to adult butterfly. Okay, you're going to go around this just to help you remember the order. Okay, here is the link which will load. Okay, YouTube is usually pretty good with you don't need any passwords. Watch this video. Okay. Then you will go back in and you will practice the butterfly rap again. Okay, the link is here and the song is over here. There's the words. Okay, try your best to start memorizing that. See how many verses you can remember. All right, so that would be the end of the lesson. If you click here, you will see I did a little video.
Okay, here's day 2. Technically days 2 and 3 caterpillars. You see they've gotten a little bit bigger and they've moved. We have one.
Okay, so I'll let you guys watch that. And in the lesson, we will go back to Thursday's folder and answer the discussion question. Okay, you have an image here. Answer the questions below and use this format. Number 1, tell me the answer. Number 2, what does the butterfly lay? Number 1, does it lay an egg or a chrysalis? You're going to write me the word. Number 2, what hatches from the egg, a butterfly or a caterpillar? Number 3, what builds the chrysalis? The caterpillar or the butterfly? And number 4, what comes out of the chrysalis? Egg or butterfly? You're going to type each of those down here. Like this. And you're going to type your answer next to it and then click post. Okay? And let's go into our math. Okay, we're in chapter 10. I switched these up a little bit, so now you're just going to go to chapter 10 for right now. If you're missing any work from 11, it's all still in here. Okay? but I did load chapter 10 in here, as well as the big book pages. If you don't have your big book with you, if you click on here, I took screenshots of it so you can see it. It's not on the, it is still on the link, but this might be a little bit easier for you to view it. Okay? If you click on it, okay, this is the test prep. You'll want to go forward. All right, just gonna have to go, for some reason it uploaded backwards, so you'll just have to click all the way through, but these are the pages that are in your workbook, okay? We go back into the lessons, Thursday. Still working with graphs and data, okay? You need your copybook or a blank document. Remember, you can go up to the top. If it opens up to Google, you click on these little dots here, you go to Google Docs. Opens you right up. You're going to click new because you're going to start a new document, and you can type all your answers in there, and it's a lot easier to submit to me. Okay, let's close some of these out here. All right, so let's check out our math lesson. Not too much. There's not a whole bunch of things to do with the graphing, but it is important for us to learn. Should still be going on to SumDog and Prodigy. You're in the first lesson of graphing now. You're using a tally chart, okay? 4 lines down, the 5th one crosses. All right, here's your math book here, 469 to 472, as well as your little skinny book, okay? If you don't have the big book and you can't get the pages to load, you should absolutely be doing the skinny book instead if you can't get the big book to load. If you can, awesome, please do both. All right, math on the spot, you click, it'll open up to the video, it'll talk to you about this lesson for today, okay? As well as another brain pop. Ooh, tallies with the brain pop today. All right, notice it's already logged me in because I was in earlier. Watch the video, and you can also do the quiz. Okay? And be sure to come back and answer your discussion question. Has a picture most likely, I believe. Yep, with the tallies. Which animal has the most tally marks? Now, it's not the first question you need to answer which one has the most. Then, which is your favorite farm animal? So you would type the animal with the most tally marks is blank. My favorite farm animal is the blank. Okay? And if it's not one on here, you can pick a different type of farm animal. Just please don't pick lion or monkey because those are not farm animals. All right? Think about things that live in the barn, things that graze in the fields, okay, that are taken care of by a farmer. Those are the type of animals I want you to think about, all right? And if you have any questions, please email me. You can go up to this right here, click new message, type my name. My name will come up. You can just put hi. These are other things that I have written, and type it to me. It'll come right into my inbox here. I'll get a little notification and I'll answer you right away, okay? Please do not hesitate to ask. You're not bothering me. I'd rather help you than you not understand something, okay? Miss you guys like crazy. Hopefully you can join me on Friday for a Zoom meeting. I did set up 2 times. I sent the email to your parents. I'll also put it in the morning message, the Zoom invite, so that you can click on it from there as well. There's one at 11:30 and one at 1:30. All right? I will talk to you guys soon.